So I've been working on this thing for like 30 minutes trying to figure out why it's not getting power. I hooked up the battery bank. I was charging what I thought were the bus batteries. But when I came down here to check it out, looks like somebody took my bus batteries. So sad. That's gonna set us back at least a couple $100, but at least we'll have brand new reliable batteries once we get this figured out. What a bummer. It's been about 1.5 years since we've seen you. gained a couple pounds. Oh, what a sweet girl though. Glad to see the neighborhood dogs are doing okay. A lot of work to do. Let's get to it. Let's cut these weeds. Get rid of these branches. Start cleaning up the pile. Oh, we gotta break the news to wifey. Let's see what she says. Got bad news for you.
No. What?
Someone stole our bus batteries.
Are you sure?
I swear.
It wasn't you?
It wasn't me.
You didn't take them for a boat?
They cut the wires.
Damn.
Yeah.
What do we do now?
Gotta buy new batteries and new wires. 300 minimum.
My bus. That's sad. So wait, so could you not even charge it?
No, there's no batteries.
So what have you been doing for like the past 2 hours?
Nothing. Sucks. Not only did they steal our batteries, but they dumped a bunch of trash here. I know the fence was bad in the first place, but come on. There's dog shit everywhere too. So I'm gonna be sending shit flying everywhere when I go and run this lawnmower. That should be fun. Part of being a property owner. Time for plan B. I ripped a battery out of one of the trucks and I'm gonna hook it up with jumper cables because the connectors are a little bit different. Those are the pole style connectors and the bus has screw downs. So let's see if this works. If I can get the bus to turn on and move down the street, that's all I need to do today. And then I can order the correct batteries. Wish me luck. We got it on the battery charger. I'll give it 20, 30 minutes. Let's go cut the grass while this charges up and then we'll give it a shot.
Yo, Zach, is deze van jou?
Moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Oh, that's a good sign. We got some noise. Let those glow plugs warm up just a bit. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Oh man, this is rough. Day 2 trying to get the bus started. We got brand new batteries. I still hooked up the jumper cables just in case we need a little extra juice. But I think I got the wiring issue figured out. Yesterday we were having a no crank situation, no power to the starter. Down here I found a tiny little wiring harness with 2 purple wires, which I hooked up to the positive side. Let's see if it works. Wish us luck. This is a really good sign. The gauges are moving. Voltage is still a little low. we're gonna give it a shot anyways. Oh my God, that's such a beautiful sound. Go, do it. Finally got it to crank, but it still won't start. So we're gonna give it a little bit of motivation. I wanna pull this intake pipe off, spray it with some starting fluid. I suspect that the fuel system probably has air in it and it's not primed. So this might kick the engine over and get that fuel moving through the system. Let's see.
Come on, buddy. Start her up.
Rev the engine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's about time. That's all we needed. A little starting fluid. All right, let's get it home before it turns off. You guys hear that? Finally got it started. What a day. Going home, bus.
Yo, zeg, is deze van jou?
From the dead. Wow.
Yo, zeg, is deze van jou?